Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Seers. Today, we will conduct an analysis on the Procter & Gamble company. Once again, it's a strong company in terms of profitability. However, when analyzing such companies, it's beneficial to consider the financial health and market position of key retailers like Walmart, which plays a significant role in P&G's product distribution. You can find the technical analysis video of Walmart stock on our channel as well. Let's start our analysis. We'll begin by drawing its historical channel. Which serves as the main artery of this stock. There's a 20-year ascending resistance line here, and breaking this resistance is undoubtedly crucial. Would it reach $130? It may aspire to. However, there's already support in the short term, which we can use as a stop loss. Let's also take a look at the weekly time frame. Again, I'll draw all significant from inside to outside resistances. Let's mark this beautiful target resistance as well. And let's indicate this. The convergence of all resistances here is not a coincidence. There's a descending resistance here. Actually, it would be better if we show this on the daily time frame. Here it's much clearer. Right at the confirmation point of the resistance, we call this a pullback. This is actually our closest stop loss, below 155. Now let's take a look at the short-term trend. It's progressing within the channel. This will be our first target. Around $230. Let's return to the weekly. I really liked the breakthrough of this ascending resistance. It signifies a tremendous accumulation of energy over 20 years. Now let's start drawing our impulsive waves. The third and the intersection of our resistances is the point of the fifth wave. Now let's look at our levels. Our first target is around $230. The third wave is around $430. And the final wave is $870. I believe it's truly a beautiful and educational trend study. If you have any questions regarding the analysis, feel free to write them in the comments, and we'll be very happy to answer. Our analysis concludes here. See you in another analysis. If you enjoyed our analysis, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel for support.